Hi, it's Jared. Want to make a video with some cool sound effects. So, I'm gonna use this fish. Maybe make him do some stuff. I want to do some stuff too, you know. You're seeing that El Pollo Loco commercial where there's the guy, the chef, makes the chicken, and he, what's he do? He like looks at the camera, and you know, he's like the salsa guy, whatever, and he's like, and he like does the thing, and there's like a whip sound with his eye. You know, it's pretty cool. So maybe I can do that. I'm just gonna try it. You ready for this? Are you ready? Did it work? Did you hear it? Did you hear it? Let me try it again. That was a little bit weak. It worked that time. See, that's how you do it. See some other sound effects. There's a guy punching glass. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Here's a bunny hopping. I don't know what else. If you think of something, you should tell me, because I really don't know. Pulling dynamite. I don't know, that was just a word that I said. Maybe I can do something and be like, see it like that. I can like imitate other people too and be like, meow 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 meow. Yeah, but I can do that. Yeah, you can really add anything in. Computer and camera, and yeah, pretty cool. I think that's it. Bye.
Baby, listen close to what I got to say. This is the baseline from the jungle, make you feel irate. We is the one they callin' STOOPID. We slightly stupid, baby, slightly, but not completely. You yeah, oh nah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.